want to be, you can be just about anything you want at Chicago Vocational Career Academy, because CVCA is a vocational high school. Here, we have majors, just like in college. But don't take my word for it. Take a look for yourself.
Information, not your name.
Drinks of 250 or 200.
You see?
And if you call before midnight, you have the chance to choose from among these additional all-time exclusive CVCA hits: horticulture, plastic fabrication, office and business technology, small business entrepreneurship, information word processing, computer science, and accounting.
Along with all these great vocations comes some great regular courses, like English, math, science, history, foreign language, and computer technology, journalism, speech, art, and also gym. But you expected that after all. This is high school, and because it is high school, there's so many things here to do after school. From choir, speech, athletics, check it out.
Hey, high school's okay. Really. And being in high school here at Chicago Vocational is even better. You need to come check it out in person. Call the freshman counselor's office at this number, and they'll hook you up with a time and a day where you and your family can come visit our school. You'll be glad you did.